Every business needs structure. One of the most traditional and widely used models is the hierarchical structure, a system where authority is clearly defined, with multiple layers of management overseeing different levels of employees. A hierarchical structure organizes employees in ranked levels of authority, typically from top executives to entry-level employees. Each level has specific responsibilities and reports to the level above it. This structure provides clear leadership and accountability, ensuring that operations run smoothly within an organization. There are several advantages to a hierarchical structure. It establishes a clear chain of command so employees understand their roles and reporting lines. Strong leadership ensures accountability, allowing managers to track performance and set expectations. This structure also enables efficient coordination and specialization, as departments have clearly defined functions and areas of expertise. Additionally, it provides stability and scalability, making it an ideal choice for large organizations that require structured growth. However, hierarchical structures also come with drawbacks. Decision-making can be slow, as multiple levels of approval are often required. Innovation and collaboration may suffer, as departments can become isolated and work in silos. Employees may feel disengaged if they have limited participation in decision-making processes, which can affect morale and retention. Moreover, maintaining multiple layers of management can lead to high operational costs. To optimize a hierarchical structure, organizations should implement best practices that improve efficiency and employee engagement. Encouraging open communication through feedback loops and collaboration tools can help break down barriers between management and employees. Empowering middle management by allowing decision-making at lower levels can increase responsiveness and agility. Creating cross-functional teams can foster collaboration across different departments, while providing clear career progression opportunities ensures that employees remain motivated and invested in the company's success. While hierarchical structures provide order and efficiency, modern management practices can make them more adaptable and responsive. By balancing structure with flexibility, businesses can create a system that fosters both stability and innovation. In the next lesson, we will explore alternative organizational models and when to use them.